Access your whatever. Any customer service feature, these are customer service lines or email. These are purchases. Then if they ask, so how do you do that? So basically po, the first deduction will be made within 10 working days upon signing. Subsequently, it will be charged 15th day of the month for monthly donors, every 6 months for semi-annual donors. And what will reflect in your billing statement, so I'll get into this. So this is a sample of a Metro Bank Visa card. This is going to reflect this. WBF Philippines and then the amount. So like for example, so give me an objection. I totally understand that you need to think about that. Is there any other so anyway, what is your husband what is he? She was a marketer. So, do you have kids? Yes, how many kids do you have? Five? Oh, good job. Good job. Anyway, so basically, right, I totally understand that you need to ask your husband, and pretty much, I've been doing this for the longest time, and most of the people, their husbands are not from the aspect. But then, most of the time also, they decided to sign up because after talking to me, they decided to sign up because at the end of the day, it's something for a good cause. It's not something that, you bought a new pair of shoes. It's something for a good cause. And what I would suggest is you can actually make this as a family effort. Let's say, for example, 10 for pesos per month, 10 pesos per month. You actually buy with 10 pesos nowadays. But with that same 10 pesos, you actually help save, you can actually help save the planet and what could be more and pretty much, as you know, helping save the planet for it's helping save our lives. Not only our lives, but obviously the children. So you go for 16 or 20? Alright. So, what else? Say for example, I don't really do this. So, the reason why, anyway, like, and then, kung minsan nilalayo ko yung kasi feeling ko, pag may objection sila, not necessarily yun yung objection nila, pero feeling ko, kulang pa sila ng information. So, for example, may okay, well, the reason why we've come up with this program, Anna, is because the reason why we've come up with this program is it helps us save fundraising costs. Because there's a lot of ways to raise funds, and concerts related to those governments. And actually, those things do cost so much time and money at the same time. And it's easier for us to forecast projects knowing that funds will be there in the future.
Internet? Like, sa internet na lang? Meron yung website?
Yeah, I want to be very honest. Yes, obviously you can do that with the internet, but to sign up with me, I want to be very honest. I do get credit. Yes. I do get credit for it. That's the reason why I'm here. It's an ID number. And sign up with me, you get freebies. Free month.